So what? You afraid of your government name?
Them too like the name, them man. I don't know when my old lady I think. I bet you call me Fred.
Let me tell you something. I rather your real name. Because you see numbers are your scammer name.
Hey,
Me like work with.
Not do that. Not do that. Nobody out there me idiot talk them. Me, I'm a scammer. Me used to take from the rich and give to the less fortunate.
So you're Robin Hood.
Me no rob no hood. I'm want you hear me good. The system take from the less fortunate. And I take back from them and give it back to the people them. You know how much youth I send go back to school with them money there when it go into the people them account. You know how much youth eat food at evening time. Never ever classify me as no scammer.
Alright. I'm sorry. I never know say you're passionate. But what you do?
Omega, one thing me regret. I regret say them all on for me. And me lose 3 years of my life. But me no regret say me help poor people and send back you to our school. That may make you know.
My overs, man. Sorry about that.
Right now, my brother tell me say, in youth, get caught in some scamming thing and believe me, mash up my mates cause I don't even know the youth.
So where am they? Jamaica or overseas?
Yeah, them there now. Last time I see him about 5 or 6. And I want to tell you, say, what does all pass the youth up on the road? And I realize I'm never, you know, because of years I not see him.
So why you not just reach out to him and make him tell you where him there? So we can just make a move and link him up.
I want to tell you still more. My brother not get them information there yet. But I tell him say as soon as him get the information, just make me know, you know?
Well, that sounds like a plan.
Yeah, man. I don't want nobody in my family walk the road with me walking. So say any way I can help, just have a help.
Yeah, man. I agree. But now if I go back into the town now, but see if I can get some work done.
So when you have to hold back the hills, sir.
Next week, not this week. Because I have work the rest of this week. But, so when I can come up at the house, really?
Can't leave the farm unattended now, no, Omega. When I get the right kind of help, when I know so I can depend on the people, them have to free me up a little better.
I understand.
Yeah, man. What's Order! That sound like me young Jenna, sir. Jenna! Are you?
Yeah, man, I'm here some visitor.
Visitor!
Yeah, man, visitor. Wow.
Who are on there? King, man!
Long live the king.
On the squad! On the mud! King, man. Long live the king.
It's a god.
Jenna.
Yes,
You bring the king forward. Yeah, sir.
There.
Up for me general. Hit maker. Who this? Hotted. Not a platted.
Yes, I think that. You know what I say? I tell Kingman about the farm and tell him say, yeah, the man never know.
Yes, sir.
No, it kind of did mesmerizing for fit numbers and farming.
Yes, man, but remember say no.
Equation,
You have to have numbers in a farming.
which is right.
Which is right. Yes, man.
I'm not going to look what I go.
Yes, man, I'm showing you a tour of the place. Man.
Yes, man.
Back to the roots, babe. Let the shadows fall. I'm making no excuses. I know where I've been.
Unbelievable. General, them listen up. One king.
Yes,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, man.
Pleased to meet the Omega.
Nice to
Who
meet
is
you.
in support of the Alpha.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man. Him run off most of the community around here, you know? Yeah, man. One of the man them were very instrumental in my development. This, I'm a young Jenna. Call him Whisper, you know? Yes, man.
Yes, man. Yeah.
The hit maker. Mm-hmm.
One go.
And this is Vicious, you know? Real soldier them.
Bro, in here.
Yeah, man. Family. Omega, you know? Lady this.
As we said, pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you all too.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
sir.
So you say in a week?
Yes, man. So, Alfred,
Yeah, Omega, hear me.
Spe-
No, I want your style, you know? Walk with me, walk. Hear me. But you can't call me Alfred in front of the friend.
Alfred.
Yes, I. Bless I. All is well?
Yeah, man, everything alright. Alfred. Remember me in numbers. Remember me in numbers.
I'm showing you the facts. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, it's a good look.
All of this is going to be. Yeah. So, but it's up. I'm going to have to go to it. And I want to tell you to know, we're going to get the start. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Over here, so now, I will do all of the soul run. All over this.
So you're supposed to make gas from it, man.
Yes, man, we have the methane car. If you power there one night, man, we just light it up and make it so go on.
See that?
So, I do all like this, man.
Yeah.
And I have to give you a different task to know, because I want to tell you who set this up.
As you thought that, you know. Yeah, what go on. Gentlemen, no disrespect. Let me in family. Yeah, number. So what you say? Tell me about it.
So, here I go.
Yeah.
Mr. Mullins set up this in. Yeah, man. I tell him say I kind of want a change, you know what I mean? Because what me I do, get me in a trouble a couple times. Right? I want to tell you something, I just decide so. I change up the thing. The first time I forward on the farm, Kingman, it's like my soul was at peace.
Make him feel the tranquility.
Brother, you know, I return to the life, then none at all. This is my focus right now. You know, I have the little impulse by my side and here we go on. She needs some grooming, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But I work with it for them, you know what I mean?